Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook chicken and vegetable fried rice. As you can see, guys, first I boiled the chicken and strip like the meat of the chicken thigh, and then the cold rice, which we call bahaw in the Philippines, the old rice. And then I make chicken vegetable fried rice. It's so good. First, guys, I boiled the chicken thigh, and then as you can see, I boiled it, and after it cook, I put cold down the chicken, and then strip it like a little bit, strip like small size to make to put our fried rice, and we put sit aside and make color the meat, and then before I strip. So, and then I add like 2 tablespoons of butter, and then let them melt, making sure it's not get burned. So today we're going to make chicken vegetable fried rice for my husband dinner, and then we have to add chop of onion like 1/2 white onions or sweet onions, and then you have to stir it. And then also the garlic, like 4 cloves of garlic chop, fresh. So you have to mix it well, and then when the garlic and the onions smell good and half cooked, then you have to add the carrots. I chop very small cube, and also the celery. That is optional, guys. It's up to you if you can put any kinds of vegetable your fried rice. And then the bell pepper, and I cracked 2 eggs and scramble like you have to mix it well. And then the chicken that which I strip the chicken thigh, which I boiled it, and also the cold rice, all old rice. And then you have to mix it well. Oh Lord, yeah, as you can see, guys, it's really good and really tasty. My husband loves the fried rice, any kind of invention fried rice, and my husband, he ate it. All the food that I make for him, he always finish all. So you have to mix it well, and then Knorr seasoning or soy sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons, and a little bit of 1 tablespoon of sugar, and beef stock or powder 1 tablespoon, and black pepper. It's like 1/2 teaspoon, and also if you want like spicy, then you can add chili and paprika, little bit sprinkle of paprika, and then you have to mix it really good. And don't forget to subscribe, likes, and please share my video for always updated, and don't forget the notification bell, so every time I upload my video you always updated. As you can see, guys, it smells good, our food, and really good. So thank you so much for watching, and then our food is almost ready to serve. So, yan. Last but not the least, the onion leaves or scallion, onion chives, or green onions. And then we're ready to serve and put aside the plate, guys. Thank you for watching. subscribe, like, and share. So, yummy guys, that is my husband dinner for today. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.